What is up, everyone? This is Moto Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Clash unable to retrieve data for this team error for League of Legends Vanguard. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, the easiest way to fix this is right-click into the game's launcher that you see on the home screen over here, click into Properties, go into where it says Compatibility. In here, you're going to basically do run this program as administrator, and then also run this program in compatibility mode. Try with Windows 8 and then go all the way back, but most likely with Windows 8 it should work. Restart your computer, turn the game back on, and that should fix it for you. If it does not, the other reason why this is happening is right-clicking at the bottom, go to Task Manager, and find anywhere in here that basically says anything related to League of Legends or Vanguard. And essentially right-click into it as an example and do End Task. A lot of times it's because the process is running twice, this error essentially ends up happening. So you want to essentially end the task properly and then try the methods that I just mentioned and then go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Guys, and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motor is out. Peace.